the month, for make talk of the month, na make an air trendy this month more. Asem we kran nativity last year in Monma, ebesi ne kwa mugu so a omo ka ho asem. Eye lookalike si ensemia ekosi. Eye celebrities lookalike obi asori a enemrem chisa wo se obi kakra pa wo se me ne lookalike na ne esa wo ye amount for recognize on na ne omo so ma shate eye. Lookalike si omo ye mutie PHS Mr. Drew wo mu bi Kuami Eugene fameye sa kwodie omo nyina omo wo mu bi ebusuafo efe efe ye pan say celebrities be now so omo lookalikes baby ebusuafo nsemi a ekosu ama lookalikes be no so omo ye nneema bi a ensem fatacho sem omo yusu celebrities leading de ye nneema ho de bi say omo obo shows Jessica and omo ye live no mo Jessica wo so ebusuafo ina ni sensem we say no entwe ye we ama celebrities no bebre no aba beka ensem afa medical abeka safa me yenso abeka na agin enne de ya me ne wo kase Kuami Eugene rockstar ono so abekire na agin wo ensem no ono kra de ne ensem a oka tie wa ne ensem a oka ni na ne say celebrity lookalike si ni omo ye de ono de hu ne say anke ntwa ye first no kra no hu say entertaining and brand new bia edibia efe even outside crampo no Michael Jackson crown or ni lookalike obi ho no ma obese onye tse ono o imitate ne tse ni obeye bia no sorry or ye bi efe say no de akwai somatic ni two person omo de akwa level bi so a enye ensem fatakra Kuami Eugene abeka nsem bi usia for my question Kuami Eugene video no emra ansa na ebe consume share so be subscribe to Xposed media so na wa click e bell no so na ne mapa bi ebe bi amede bi ebrem ebusia for mo men question video no emra.
Did that make you feel at first? Am I right in saying that you were happy when you saw these things at first?
It used to be fun. It actually used to be fun. Let me just be real about it. It used to be fun. Like, oh, when I pass here, there's a Kuami Eugene. Oh, people, they clone me. And it felt good from behind. Because, I mean, people try to look like Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
And it's happening to me till date. Elvis Presley. People try to look like him. And it feels good. I mean, I've been in the States some time ago and I've seen his day or something and people dressing, holding guitars just to look like him. And it felt good from afar. But I never saw one of them going on stage to go and perform.
Now it's gotten to that
his songs. And the first, that's like maximum disrespect. Do you get what I mean? Yeah. It's another story when you love the person and you want to represent the person on social media and all, and it's all good. But when it gets to a level where it's becoming too much, you see what's going on, and you're enjoying it. Yeah. Do you get it? This is what I spoke about people don't care about other people. Yeah. People are just selfish. Because he's enjoying that fame and that attention at this particular time, nothing is stopping him. Until the whole thing ends bad, and then they will regret it.
Is it looking like it's going to end bad legally? Is it looking like that? Because again, you're a machine, right? It's not just you. There are people behind you, see everything.
I'm a brand.
Yeah.
I'm a whole business. And I will just say, trust me. It looks good, but if you're enjoying it, it won't last.
There are repercussions for everything. Let's just
listen, and beside me, I'm scared for them. Because where I come from, they don't like that. They don't like that. And the reason why they didn't act in the first place was because I was saying, oh, leave him, he's having fun.
So you get it?
Oh, if he's not playing shows and if he's not doing so much and he's just showing love to Kuami Eugene, let him express himself. Because I've had people say, super, this guy make you Mafia. Charlie. Bro, I come from Fadama.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. Super, this guy make you Mafia. Oh, he just they have fun. Alarm, like, yeah. But now, they send me, say, as we tell you, say, make you Mafia. He say, nah, they perform.
You know, that's deep.
What's up? I tell you guys, calm down. We just need to find a way to talk to these guys. And I don't even have to reach out to them. It's all around. People don't really like what's going on. I mean, to them, when you're enjoying it, you don't see the negative side of it because you're enjoying it. But when the negative side starts coming closer, that's where you feel it. But then you've done the worst. So I'm just saying, real quick, calm down. Whatever fun you're getting, whatever enjoyment where you get from this thing, calm down. try and put a stop to it because it'll probably not end well. Not be me, oh.
Yeah.
Not be
I like
me.
that. I like
but
that.
it probably won't end well for you.
Yeah, I like
Hey, boss.
Opportunity womuntina. What they akotena aka no. Meet you.
GH. Madam was so release assembly about.
Okay.
Also, me from Kuami Eugene thing and Jessica baby. Yeah.
All right.
The way I walk no. I say. I won't say overcome because people are saying it.
Yes. Eh, on say ahwefo, any atiefo, ensema ewo mutrim nkomo ewo kromo no. Ana me busa nti ese ya ema onye opportunity no say de be ya ubetimi akla ho yi ebi kra na Kwame kra ate no kwan boni bi so no no so ohunu no kure wo. Okay.
And then say me for OKFM and they asked me about it and
all right.
Me for Kuami Eugene thing and Jessica. I can see some video trending. GH hyper aposty. That show wasn't my show. Say be a makeup, and I say they were expecting me. No, it was an TikTok award show, and I'm a TikToker too. That my influencer, my followers are people do like my videos. So I'm on my awards over that. And
right.
I had a friend, Mr. Ray. Who be on TikTok, Mr. Ray.
Sure.
So now I'm on my award show, and I was there with them. And they said, oh, young ko emum. So we went, and the people out there was like, me, if you don't know Kuami Eugene as in person, I'm a one-on-one now. You think that I'm Kuami Eugene.
Wow.
Because they look, everything. I'm not saying to myself, but people do say it. Good. My stage name is Steve Kwams, but when you see me now, I'm a rock star.
Okay.
And Kualani. So I went there, no. They were like, this guy look like Kuami Eugene. So the organizer came to me and was like, hey, what's the Kuami Eugene? What's the Kuami Eugene? I was like, oh, why not? I like him very much. So I know how to sing his songs. And they gave out the platform to me. In the month of flyers, I want to book me for sure. No, I went there and that satellite in the tour so for me to perform over there. That's it. Okay. I can say to myself, somebody can come out, say my betting is no. I don't do that. I do that to promote my rock star. That's my godfather, Kuami. Maybe it will be a sit down command. That will be a hole. Raise your hand, no. And pass some more beat. I'm a tease on my own. My name is Steve. If you don't know, go and search. I see say you don't know. You don't know. Go. This boy. I say you don't know. You don't know.
Ebusia for Yesha Kuami Eugene and I eat Kuami Eugene and same man, same crown and all chim the same. Again, boys, Fadama Boys do be crown, maybe a chim crown. A young wife and sanka, Mama Quina, and now Kuami Eugene and Maquinanka, or Monstress I Lookalike see on my bone shown be big a crab, or Kuami Eugene and someone say, oh, and yes, or won't forget it. As I say, Lady Uncle no cream with Sanka, and for Martin American as a bab. Any quite sanka a celebrities are no do a pretty much Jane, because Kuami Eugene needs other celebrities. Mutim who say, a man shall separate coupe and on bay celebrities, almost shall say every baby. You can't stand not just any pan or pretty much Jane, you are bring ye parents, and you see a way to baby no. Now, Fane, I want to Baby Shame say, we look alike in no Baby yet to say on one, and I say, oh, Baby, ye be in his name, Eddie Nya, or benefits be and our profits be. I will see information so best shower drink our comment section on no near ever cost video ever trend be I want so one side ever KB subscribe to Xposed media and I click your bell so memory say obey sa amame we end am the bremo and ne see for my crown.